The next exercise we're going to do is also to help you feel the breath. This time it's not just the natural recoil we're trying to feel, but we want to feel what it's like when you cannot breathe anymore and your lungs open up and expand into a deep singing breath. We're going to do that with something called the breath support increaser. First, I'm going to turn sideways so you can see exactly what I'm doing. You're going to lean over. You can make it a comfortable lean. It's not about working your hamstrings. Just let your head and neck go loose. But you're going to take a deep breath in through your nose and feel the expansion in your back right here. In fact, put your fingers right here. Take a deep breath in and feel the expansion in your back. The back of your ribs. Okay, this time when we do it, we're going to keep those ribs expanded, and we're going to stand up and breathe out on a hiss. The goal is not how long can I hold my breath or how long can I push that hiss out. You're actually actively trying to push out that hiss good and hard to get to the very end of that breath so that you can quickly feel that wonderful expansion as your lungs fill up with air. Remember, your lungs are like bellows. When you squeeze all the air out of them, then they automatically fill up again. And then, like you would if you were trying to put air into the coals of a fire, you press that air out again. Let's try it again with the breath support increaser. So we lean over, feel the expansion in the rib cage. Yes, lovely. Do that 3 times as part of your practice every day for the next week to get a better sense of what it means to have a deep, expanded, filling, balanced breath.